What constitutes your mental load? For a woman, it can look like an invisible backpack which gets heavier and heavier. It can be remembering the different doctor appointments. It can be about a party that's going to happen. It could be about the mood shifts that happen in the household. It could be about which groceries do I need to reorder. The pet's food is over. So all this together kind of really adds to the mental load. It is invisible, but it becomes very, very heavy without help. Imagine your brain like an internet browser and having 30 odd tabs open at all the times. Some are emotional, some are logical, and some may just be background noise. That is the mental load. Invisible but always there. Over time, it can create a silent burnout. You might feel irritated, angry, silent resentment slowly kind of crops up into the household, into relationships. Often it leads to a disconnection in couples. In my therapy room, I often see women struggling to ask for help, to ask for support. And I think in my work with them, I really gently urge them to look at what are the expectations maybe they are imposing on themselves. What are the standards that they are holding up to which may have come with previous expectations? Is there something that they want to change about that? Is there something they want to let go to lighten themselves? I think that is a very, very important step that really helps them to kind of empower themselves and to support themselves. Next time you feel overburdened or overwhelmed with your list, I think it's important to list down everything that is weighing you down. Why priority? Is there something you can delegate on that list? Is there something you want to delete? Or are there some things on the list which are coming with an expectations and you've just taken ownership? And also very important to focus on things that you can control, and also what is it that you cannot and what do you need to do to let it go. As a partner, it's very easy when you think that the only sharing that you can do is asking what help is needed. I think it becomes really important for you to observe, anticipate what may be required, and actually really take on the load consistently. And maybe that also means at looking at, are you in some way sticking to traditional roles that have been a part of your growing up? Because I think when we share the load, partnership becomes deeper and the household becomes happier.